In this video, we are going to see how we can upload the YouTube Shorts directly from our PC or from our laptop. So just head over to youtube.com and make sure you are logged into your Google account, which has the relevant YouTube account. And from here, we basically click on create and click on upload the video. And once we are in here, it will directly show you the upload videos window. Here we select the video, select files. I'll go to the relevant location and make sure that this is a short form content. That means it should be in the vertical form and of less than 1 minute. So if that parameters is correct, then you can upload the video as a short. Click on open. And you are going to give a title and a nice description about it, which is going to explain your short, what it is all about. And you can basically change the thumbnail on the YouTube mobile app, it says. So if you're not comfortable with this particular thumbnail, you can choose any custom one, but that should be from your mobile. And immediately as we upload, you will notice on the right hand side in the video link that this is already being identified as a YouTube Shorts. So it says youtube.com/shorts here. And before it was used to say it like this, that if you want to upload the shorts, you just mention hashtag shorts, hashtag YouTube Shorts, and so on. But that is no more required. So you can ignore this or you can paste it whatever you want. But basically that is not needed if you want to promote your shorts to a specific audience. Let's say DIY. So you can put a hashtag of that if you like. And just remember that this 1, 2 to 3 lines in the description is very important, that they are going to see on the face of the short. So make it something catchy and attractive, and also make sure that you include some of the keywords in the description. Okay, let's head over downwards, and in the playlist, that let's say that you have a lot of videos of the specific topic, you can create different playlists so that the viewers can filter out whenever they want to see a particular niche videos. And here you are going to specify, if it is not made for kids, make sure you mark it as no, it's not made for kids. Age restriction, just open this up. If it is not an age restricted video, just mark no, don't restrict my video to viewers over 18 only. Click on show more. Paid promotion, if your product is showing some kind of product promotion, you can just hit and check this. But if not, you can just ignore this. Altered content, do any of the following: make the real person appear or do something that they didn't say. So let's say that you are using an AI content. You can click yes, but I'm not using it, so I click no. And we just scroll down and the tags. Now, just remember guys, you can put any tag basically, that can be a channel name or something like that, because it doesn't play much role in 2026. And here you don't need to select anything, basically video language. You can select it if you like to, but that doesn't make much difference. So if your category is comedy, education, entertainment, you can choose any of them. But if you're not sure about any of the category, I choose how to in style. That's a very wide category, so you can choose that as well. So comments, make sure you turn this on. It increases the interaction. And who can comment, you can set it to anyone, or basically whatever is your preference according to your channel. Click on next and make sure that it is not a copied content. Here it shows checks complete, no issues found. Click on next. Add a related video if you like to, but I'll just skip it to the next. Copyright, no issues found. Community guideline, no issues found. Make sure that you have these checked. Click on next. And we want to make this public. Or you can just schedule a video for a future publishing on a specific date and time. So it will publish automatically when the time comes. But if you have a monetized channel, you will see a monetization category here for the ad suitability. You just have to scroll down, select none of these and click on submit rating on the right hand corner. I'll show you that some other time. Just comment down below if your channel is monetized and you want to see that video as well. And what you can also do in shorts is, let me just go back, add a related video, connect another of your videos to your videos. So let's say that you are going to promote your long format content video that's approximately 10 minutes, 30 minutes long, and you just want to give a taste in the short. So after that, what you can do is just click on add a related video and add a long format video here. So that can be very effective for you. In order to get views, click on next, click on next. So after that, you are basically going to see the visual link of that video. So anyways, let's get it public. And then click on publish. Make sure again that checks is complete, no issues found. Click on publish and you are good to go. Or otherwise, if you schedule, you will see it on a future date. Click on close and you will notice that it will directly come in the shorts section as soon as you publish this, as you can see here. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on our channel, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.